Comfort is killing you. Every time you hit snooze, every time you choose the easy way out, you're trading potential for pleasure. You're not tired, you're soft. You're not lost, you're addicted to comfort. Comfort is a prison. It doesn't scream, it whispers. You're okay. Stay here. Rest a little longer. And the longer you stay, the weaker you get. You were born to build, to conquer, to evolve. But comfort, it makes you forget what you're capable of. You want to destroy comfort? Do the opposite of what feels easy. Wake up early, take cold showers, chase pain, choose the hard path on purpose. Because on the other side of discomfort is power. And the only way to become unstoppable is to destroy the version of you that worships comfort. Stay hard, stay sharp, and remember, comfort is the enemy.